All right, let's talk about WhatsApp. They are about to drop one of their biggest changes ever. And I mean, this is something that's going to fundamentally alter how billions of people connect with each other. We're talking about the huge move away from phone numbers and into the world of usernames. You know that feeling, right? That little pause when you're about to give out your personal phone number to someone you don't really know? It feels like you're handing over a key to your digital life, and for good reason. Well, that exact point of friction is what WhatsApp is finally about to solve. And just to be clear, this isn't some small update. We're talking about a platform with over 3 billion monthly users. A change like this isn't just a ripple, it's a wave that impacts a massive slice of the entire global population. So what is this big shift exactly?
Well, it all comes down to one simple but really powerful new feature: usernames.
Yeah, it's really that straightforward. A username is just going to be a unique handle, kind of like you have on Instagram or X, that's tied directly to your account. This means you can finally start a conversation with someone new without ever having to do that "what's your number" exchange first.
Now, it's super important to understand that this isn't just another name. Your username is totally different from your display name, the one that your friends see, which isn't unique at all. It's also separate from a verified business name. The key here, the most important part, is that your new username will be completely unique to you. It's going to be your public handle for all that number-free contact.
Okay, so that covers the what, but let's get to the part that really matters, the why. Why should you actually care about this? How is this going to benefit you in your day-to-day life? And look, this isn't just some cosmetic feature. WhatsApp themselves have made it crystal clear. This is all about adding a new, absolutely critical layer of privacy to all your interactions on the platform.
So let's break down those privacy perks. First off, you get safer first contact. Think about using online marketplaces or joining community groups. Now you can chat privately without putting your number out there. Second, you get way better spam control. If your username gets leaked and you start getting junk messages, you can just change it. Trying to change your actual phone number, that's a massive headache. And third, for anyone with a public presence, creators, group admins, you name it, this is a total game changer. They can now connect with their audience securely.
This all sounds great in theory, but how's it going to work in practice? Let's walk through the actual mechanics of how you're going to use this new username feature. The whole process is designed to be really straightforward. First, you'll choose and reserve your unique handle. We're already seeing a reserve your username option popping up in beta versions, so we know this is coming. Then, people can find you by searching that handle, or you can share a link or a QR code. And finally, you just start chatting. The other person never even sees your phone number.
But, and this is a really crucial point, usernames are for messaging privacy, not for signing up anonymously. You will still need a valid phone number to create and verify your WhatsApp account. Think of the username as a protective shield for your number, not a replacement for it.
Of course, a rollout this huge comes with its own set of rules and, yeah, some potential risks. So let's take a look at the timeline and how WhatsApp is planning to handle this whole thing. So, this has been in the works for a while. It was officially confirmed back in 2024, and by late 2025, beta testers were already seeing those reservation prompts. A full global rollout is definitely on the horizon, but we don't have an exact date just yet. The key takeaway, though? It's close. So yeah, there are some potential downsides. You've got handle squatting, people trying to grab all the popular names. WhatsApp is trying to address this with that reservation window. Impersonation is another big one, but we can definitely expect some strict policies against that, kind of like on other platforms. And of course, phishing. That's not going anywhere. The standard block and report tools that you already use are going to be as important as ever. To put this into context, let's see how it stacks up with the competition. Telegram has had public usernames for years, making discovery really open. Signal, on the other hand, uses usernames specifically to hide phone numbers. WhatsApp is pretty much following Signal's privacy-focused model here, creating a shield for your number while still keeping that number as the core of your account. So, with all of this just around the corner, what can you do right now to get ready and make sure you can claim your ideal handle? All right, here's your action plan. First, start thinking about your ideal username today. Have a few options ready to go. Second, and this is critical, go turn on two-step verification in your settings to lock down your account. Third, remember your profile might be a bit more discoverable now, so just give your profile picture and your about info a quick review. And finally, keep an eye out for that in-app reservation prompt so you can claim your name as soon as it's available.
This is probably one of the biggest questions on everyone's mind, right?
What happens to your privacy in all those groups you're already in?
Well, based on everything we're seeing from the beta versions, here's the best answer we have. It looks like people in a group who don't already have you in their contacts will see your new username, not your phone number. And that is a huge leap forward for privacy in big communities.
So, as we wrap this all up, it leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. For decades, our WhatsApp identity has been tied directly to our phone number. But as that number gets hidden behind a handle, does our username become our new primary digital identity on the world's biggest messaging platform? It's a major shift in how we think about who we are online.